That's what you're aiming for. Hello, my name's Ian, welcome back to the Grow Zone. This is a follow-up video that we did a couple of weeks ago of preserving some peppers. These bell peppers we grew in a Harvy 6 here from cuttings that we grew in a DWC from Growrilla Hydroponics. These little chilies we grew in our botanium here, which you can see behind me in the window. It's actually still producing fruits and flowers. We are going to process these a little bit more. As you can see, they are dried. We did this in the dehydrator. In the previous video, we were being very, very careful and we thought 35 degrees Celsius for 10 hours. It turned out that was completely wrong. They needed a lot longer than that. They had at least another one go at 35 degrees for 10 hours. And then I've done these for another 2 hours at 45 degrees. To get them to this lovely place where we are gonna put them in the mini whizzer here, together with the chilies after we remove the stalks, and just make a little chili flake mix for seasoning and sauces. I've already taken the stalks off the big bell peppers here, but I'm gonna do the same for these little chilies that we grew in the botanium. These are called razzmatazz from memory. Check the previous video to confirm that. I'm going to take the stalks off before we whiz them. They're nice and hard and dried, so it should be easy to pinch off. Okay, so I've removed all the stalks. I'm just going to scoop these gently with the seeds into our mini food processor here. If you want to see this food processor in action on another video, check out the card I will put above you, where we make kimchi. And I'm going to add the bell peppers in as well. And what we're going for here is just a sort of chili flake, just to add to a sauce or to season a steak with maybe. And we're going to aim to just put them back into this glass jar so they'll preserve and keep for a long time. And yeah, you ready for this, Christian? Give him a little hit. That has made a lot more than I thought it would, don't you think?
Yes.
Wow. Fantastic. Okay, this is the consistency we're going for. First of all, it made lots more than we thought it was going to. And secondly, the smell is amazing. Make sure you check out the playlist in the description. We have a bell pepper preserved in oil and a kimchi video there. And now we're going to decant this into this little jar, ready for seasoning our sauces and other bits and pieces.